talk about my experience at the varsity, at the law school. No. Everyone knows if you want to obtain an LLB, you have to pass all the modules and graduate, and that's it. And that's just about it. But today I'm going to talk about the 5 most important things that you need to know before you save your articles. So before you become an attorney, a legal practitioner, now, for all those who don't know me, my name is Anita Ndlovu. I'm back with another video. If you are a law student, this might be your video. If you are a candidate attorney, this is your video. Hit the subscribe button, like and comment. So I'm not going to talk about my experience at the law school, how I obtained my LLB. I mean, who doesn't know? Who doesn't know? So I'm going to focus on the 5 most important things that you need to know before you save your articles, before you become a candidate legal practitioner or then candidate attorney. So when I served my articles, I was called a candidate attorney. So there is a new act that came into effect, and now they are being called candidate legal practitioners. So I'm gonna be talking about the 5 most important things that you need to know when you are saving articles. Number 1, you need to be confident. You need to build your confidence, because there are times when you're gonna feel like people are questioning your ability. People are questioning, your ability to think, whether you are in the right industry or not. So you need to know that my goal is to become an attorney, and I'm gonna do it. So you need to have that confidence. So the law industry is very tough, especially when you're saving articles, especially when you're a candidate legal practitioner. It's very tough. I'm not gonna lie, I'm not gonna even lie. It's tough. So you need to develop that strong backbone. If you don't have that strong backbone, my guy or girl, it's gonna be tough. You're not gonna make it. It's tough, eh? Number 2, you need to be very calculative. By being calculative, I mean you need to have a good judgment. Lawyers are being paid for their good judgment. So in your approach, you need to weigh your options, the positive outcomes and the negative outcomes. Number 3, you need to be a great thinker. When we're at law school, we're being taught on how to think. We are taught on how to approach matters. You need to have a mindset that can critically analyze situation. You cannot base your reasoning on raw information. You need to focus on connection, understanding and meaning. If you can't do that, then what are you doing in the law field? Like, what are you trying? Like, what are you doing? So number 4, you need to be a good listener. If you're not a good listener, then clients are gonna come for consultation and then you didn't listen. Then you need to listen. You need not to listen for the general understanding. You need to listen to understand and to know how to respond and to know what's being intended. You can't just listen to a person and you don't know what's being intended. You need to know what's being intended. It's just simple. And then the 5th point is you need to be focused. If you are not focused, you're not going to make it in the law industry. Focus. You need to focus. So, but being focused focused, I mean you need to keep abreast of the new cases. You need to know your current affairs. You need to know the law surrounding your matters, your field. For example, if you are into criminal law, you need to know new cases on criminal law, current affairs on criminal law. Being a candidate attorney is not easy. You need to be equipped. So I've just given you tips on how to handle this field. It's an exciting field. We like it. We are passionate about it, but you need to have a skill. If you don't have a skill, what are you looking for? Like, what are we doing? Like, what are we doing in the field? So guys, stay tuned for more. I'm gonna be uploading more videos on law. Thank you for staying tuned. Love you. Till the next video. Bye.